During this presentation, I will be discussing Mount Pelee. Mount Pelee is located in Saint Pierre, Martinique, which is a flourishing small community in the French Antilles. Mount Pelee's formation happened for multiple reasons, one being that the island sat along the Lesser Antilles subduction zone. This subduction of the North American plates in the Caribbean is what causes eruption because eventually the plates descend far enough that the magma rises to the volcano's surface and erupts. On the morning of May 2nd, it was already raining volcanic ash. By May 3rd, Mount Pelee was covered in white ash and the sides of the mountains were reported to be covered in animal carcasses. Starting May 4th, there were precursors of the eruption, such as underground rumbling and low-intensity earthquakes. But since the eruption was scheduled for May 11th, the residents did not take the warning seriously. This is when the pyrotechnic activity started, meaning there was rocky, hot flow slowly coming from the volcano. This lasted until 7:30 a.m. May 8th, when Mount Pelee began a cataclysmic eruption phase, with large quantities of lava reaching temperatures of 400 to 600 degrees Celsius, which devastated the city and residents immediately and completely incinerated the city of Saint Pierre almost instantly. Saint Pierre is only a 4-mile long city, and with lava flowing at over 300 miles per hour, the entire city was burned in a matter of minutes, alongside 29,000 residents. This is the highest fatality rate of any eruption known to date. All that was left of Saint Pierre was the original infrastructure and roads. The environmental impact was detrimental to the city itself and the surrounding wildlife. Even at the beginning of the eruption, there were animal carcasses on and surrounding Mount Pelee itself. Unfortunately, this is what caused Mount Pelee to be the most devastating eruption in the 20th century. The websites listed are the sources I used to do my research, and every image used in the presentation came from one of these 3 websites.